Office culture. Vibrant for sure. Definitely after 4 p.m. It starts getting crazy.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
But in a good way.
What's going on, guys? Vittorio here. I work at the production team here at Chinatown Market, and this is my Design Freestyle.
All right, let's see what we got here. This is exciting. Trucker hats, very good. Nice colors. Essentials, patches, flock, vinyl. Nice, nice, nice. I'm not gonna open this towards me. There we go. Got that out of the way. These are some goodies. Scissors, heat tape, more transfers, rhinestones. Nice. Arcs, very cool. Nice, nice. Oh my God. This is what we call the garage boys. We are here in my garage probably at 3 in the morning. Wow, we have myself with some insane hair. It would just be like, we'd be hanging out and then it's like, all right, let's go drink at Vittorio's garage, and we'd just get some Henny and drink in the garage. Honestly, it was great times.
It's all love, though. It's all love. Garage boys.
Oh, here we go. Nice, beautiful vintage tee, perfectly worn. These are the ones right here. This is, in my opinion, the best shoe ever. Dress it up, dress it down. These are great. I think that's it. I'm gonna start with the hats. So yeah, I'm on the production team. So pretty much make sure that everything we get, what we need to get, gets here on time and as designed. Yeah, back when I started, it was like the wild, wild west. It's come like a really, really long way. The team then, it was like, what, 7 people, including Mike? Now I think it's 30 plus. After I graduated college, I knew I wanted to work in fashion. I was going to school for marketing, and yeah, I just wanted to be involved in making clothing one way or another. It started all at packing orders. Honestly, I'm trying to like figure out, I want to use this little mushroom, it's pretty funny, and incorporate some Chinatown branding on this thing too. I want to go crazy, but I'm probably going to go very simple and boring, so. I still remember when the Scorpion album came out, Drake's Scorpion album. I just woke up to Josh, he's on the design team here, just like blasting the music in his boxers. It was pretty funny. He's a character, man. He is a character for sure. You know, the one thing I really like about what we do here is that on a design side, you can't box us into anything. We can literally design anything. There are really no limits as to what we can create, which is pretty awesome. I'm ready to go on these. Sir Micah, 1/5 of the Garage Boys. Yeah, good old Micah. Oh! All right, this next one here, nice. Vintage, washed black t-shirt. I'm probably just gonna do just an arc down the center, honestly. This one I wanna like keep playing with it, but I'm just gonna, you know what, nope. I was gonna do an arc, but we're just gonna do this nice little oval hit on the center, keeping it very simple. If I had to compare the way I dress to my coworkers here at Chinatown Market, I would say I'm kind of somewhere in the middle. There will be days I'll come in a t-shirt and sweats, and there's no problem with that. The best dressed, I actually really have to think about this, because this is an important question. You know what? Josh Umil, one thing he needs credit for is that I feel like he puts a lot of people on, but doesn't get the credit he deserves. But Pat, also, I appreciate the fact that like he incorporates his lifestyle into what he wears. And then also Graham, like he has his own style. It's not about who dresses well, it's just who owns their style. Who needs the most help with their fashion sense? I can't answer that, man. I can't say. I would say I would like to dress Waleed one day.
Oh, that's how you feel? That's how you feel? Look at this. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Look at that. CTM Crocs. Are you stupid? Yellow bitty. Look at the back. Big ass smiley in the back. Yeah, next time you talk shit, Vito, say it to my face, alright?
Sir Micah, we need you again. This is the one. I didn't think you guys would let me do this. I was like, I'm gonna ask, but this is very exciting. You guys are gonna hate me, but I'm just like, I'm going super simple and just hitting I really like the oval hits. I like putting like little secret notes in things. So whoever gets these, you'll know. Just added the little oval Chinatown Market or Chinatown hit on the side. Mr. Micah, these are for you. I still can't believe, like, this is insane. Wow, that is so funny. All right, designing has been wrapped. Micah so kindly pressed these. We're about to see them. First one, baby blue, foam trucker, nice and simple. I don't know, I think like truckers are super, super wearable. It'll go with pretty much anything. Classic collegiate arc. This, although it's not my favorite color, this arc is probably one of my favorite graphics that we've done just because it's so recognizable. This t-shirt, that's one thing too, is like the way a t-shirt fits is just as important as what is on the t-shirt. And I can tell this is just like a beautifully fitting t-shirt. This is good. And yeah, very simple, Chinatown oval on the center. The last one's my favorite, although they're simple, the Chuck 70s. Very simple oval hits. You know, once again, you're probably used to seeing like a bunch of crazy stuff on Design Freestyle, which is fun, but I wanted to just make very wearable things. You know, nice little subtle pieces. But yeah, these are the items that I made. All right, guys, so if you guys want a chance to win one of these cool items, just comment down below. I'm Vittorio, and this was my Design Freestyle.